Good late morning, everyone. I decided to come back on and do another update here, as I wanted to update everybody on the current progression of XRP. We're up to 62.6 cents, and right now we're looking hot. We're up 2.54%. I was looking for a retest for a pullback down to 61.69, but we might not have to do that. We've created a consolidation here. So what we've got going on here is we've got this uptrending support, and I'll update everybody on everything that we need to do real quick. I'll timestamp this, but this is just what I'm seeing currently. So if we break below this uptrending support, which I suspect we probably will, I know it looks nice right now, and I hope it just goes straight up. I do, but I suspect we'll probably need a little, although, you know, you never know. You never know. We could stay hot. As long as we hold this ascending consolidation, we'll be okay. But if we break below it, it would suggest that we would need to come down. A break below, here we can do the technical target, and then a break above as well, so we know if we break out or break down exactly where we're looking at on this next move. If you were here on the morning update, you were able to be a part of a trade if you were paying attention. I talked about after I got rid of the copy trade at 5-point-something%, that I was waiting for the move up to 61.5, a back test at 61.2, and then I would buy back in because it was at about, it went down to 609 after I sold, and then I waited for that to happen. The conditions were met. I bought back in, had a 10x copy trade for the group. It lasted for just over 20 minutes, and we made over 21%. So every single person who's part of the copy trade's up at least 35% now. The 35%, we're overall, we started a $100 to $1,000 challenge, and right now we're up to $335. No, maybe more now. I will have to take a look here after this. So it's absolutely spectacular what's going on. I know followers on the first trade this morning made $300+ and on the second day trade, the combined followers made over $800 on that copy trade. So today our followers have made over $1,100 on those two copy trades. That's unbelievable to read that. Nothing can make me happier than that. Nothing can make me happier. So if we break out, we're looking at 63.55 next here. I like to play the tiers, especially when I'm a leverage trader. And I also, every time I do a leverage trade myself, I take one out on BITUNIX, as you know. So I've already had a well over $500 day again on a Saturday. So I'm extremely, actually it's like 600 or 700, but I'm extremely grateful. So that's what we're looking at. 62.8 resistance, 62.4 support. A breakdown under that is what I suspect will likely happen to 61.70. If we get surprised and we break up, 63.50. So that's what we're looking at here. Let me timestamp this very quickly. Good morning. 9:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Saturday, August 24th, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I'm going to do this short and sweet, but I wanted to update the current flow. We did a nice update this morning, but this is the current flow right now. You can see we came up to 62.75. It's important because we've come up to these resistance areas as well. That's the rising, or that's the cup and handle resistance. It would make sense to back test 62 cents now. So I think we're pretty spot on. Even if we break up, we know where we're going, but I think what we drew out here to start, that's so spot on that everybody needs to pay attention to that this morning. And this is what we're looking at in the short-term consolidation. So pay attention to this, and then a real quick update on the copy trades. So the copy trades right now, we're up $237.79 on our $100 challenge. There's been 46 trades. We've hit 32 out of 46. And if we look at our trade history, the most recent one, well, the one I closed out this morning was at 609. Well, you guys know the differential on the pricing. Even though it's showing 6254, that means the price was 6271. There's a differential that we found, but we've already know, so we're not even gonna, who cares? We're dealing with it and we're doing just fine. So the one 592 yesterday, 5.5% this morning, and then I opened one up just like I said on the back test at 61.20 after a move around 61.50. I opened it exactly like I told everybody in the update this morning. Close it at 62.54. And that trade was open for 20 minutes. Our community made, if you were part of the copy trade, 21.56%. And the followers P&L on that trade was 807. The P&L on this morning's closed trade already, well, there's been two, but both of the trades was 314. So the community's made $1,121 off those two copy trades. Absolutely spectacular. And there is 23 people that were in that last copy trade, 22 the one before that. So pay attention to this. This is a beautiful blue map of what's to come. Whether it goes up or down, you know exactly what to expect. And if it consolidates a little bit farther, you know, we'll have to work from there. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and join the over 23,000 subscribers. And if you appreciate my work, don't hesitate to join Tom's Army. Video description below and or pinned comments. That's where you can join HOTCOIN or BITUNIX, which I highly encourage. If you're copy trading me on HOTCOIN, also open an account on BITUNIX so you can open up a separate trade so you can see the differences. And if you want to, all you have to do is click on the links, and then you'll see this right here, BITUNIX HOTCOIN, and then there's also BLOFIN as well. And then if you want to send a donation, you can do Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal outside of YouTube.